Hey YouTube, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited free Pokegold in Pokemon the trading card game Pocket Edition on iOS and Android. I'm going to be running you through this full process here today. It's not going to take you too long and I'm going to do this exactly right now. Now what I'm going to do is turn on my screen recording and I'm going to go through this entire process. I'm going to log in to Pokemon trading card game Pocket. You should see my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Basically, just go ahead and up there on your screen right now. So just simply follow along and let me turn that off. It's not too loud. Okay, so what we're gonna do is tap to start. I'm gonna go to the store and I'm gonna show you that I have basically unlimited Pokegold with this method and I'm gonna show you what to do. So we're gonna go over here to home, alrighty, and we're gonna go to the shop. Wait for it to load. Okay, then we're gonna go to purchase Pokegold. And you guys are going to see that I have unlimited gold. And then you guys can see, as you guys can see, 99999 Pokegold. And of course you can go ahead and subscribe. If you were to buy this amount of Pokegold, this would be literally thousands of dollars. So we're going to get it here today completely for free. And I'm going to run you through the full tutorial. Now what we're going to have to get is actually your profile ID from Pokemon Trading Card Game Pocket. So what we're going to do is go back, okay? And we're going to go back again. And what we're going to do is come to the three little dashes on the side here. And you're going to see something at the top here that says support ID. And what you're going to do is just tap on the two little squares and that's going to actually copy your support ID. And what this will actually do is simply allow you to go ahead and send yourself the free Pokegold. So now once you got that, what you want to do is exit out. You're going to come to Safari or Google Chrome or Firefox, whatever browser you visit on your phone. You need to do this on your phone, okay, or tablet, doesn't matter. I'm going to go to this website. So type this in. It's called www.freepokegold.com. I'm going to spell this out for you. It sounds weird, but type this in www.free, so FREEPOKE, and then gold, GOLD.com, freepokegold.com. Okay, and once you're here, it's going to load the Free Pokegold website, and it's going to say, how many free pocket gold do you want? Just go tap along to the side. You can only get 5,000 if you want here today, but you normally want to go for the big one, 10,000 Pokegold. Press on claim now. Alrighty, and what you're going to do, it's going to say your Poke ID. Just come here and hold to paste. Paste in your ID that you got from the game and select what platform you're on. I'm on iOS, so I press continue. Alrighty. And what this is going to do is basically connect to the service and send us the Pokegold. Now, it doesn't take too long. All we need to do is simply go ahead and wait for this to go ahead and basically add the gold. A lot of people are doing this right now. It just came out and it's basically the best way to get Pokemon Trading Card Game Pocket free gold without spending any money, and basically the best way. So, we are going to need some additional plugin files for this to actually add. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. But essentially is what you want to do is press on add gold, okay? And it's going to take you to this page right here. It's going to say your plugin requires 2 additional plugin files to install. So what we need to do is go ahead and complete 2 of these. They're completely for free and that's going to add the gold to Pokemon Trading Card Game Pocket. So one of them here just says go ahead and install TikTok. So what we're going to do is go ahead and do that. That's a super easy one. Now I must add, if you already own the TikTok app, don't do this one. That's why there's 3 in the list. You only need to do 2. But if you already have TikTok, don't do TikTok please. Because a lot of people come to me like, hey, I did TikTok. And I'm like, do you have a TikTok account already? And they're like, yes. And I'm like, that's why it didn't work. So you need to do ones that you don't have. But if you don't have TikTok, this is a great and easy one that you can go ahead and yeah, just go ahead and get it. It's free, of course. All these are free. It don't cost you anything. And you're going to get unlimited Pokegold with this method. Now, while TikTok's downloading, what we're going to do is come back to here and go to do a second one. Now, when you tap it, it's going to have some unlock instructions. You need to follow these unlock instructions. So the TikTok one says go ahead and just open up TikTok. So that's a super easy one. This fetch one says go ahead and register for an account and all this stuff. So you need to complete whatever they do say. Some are going to be different than others. That's just kind of how it works. Some might be easier, some might be more annoying, but you need to complete 2 of them. And if 2 don't work, try and do a 3rd one so it can go ahead and actually work. So we're going to get that fetch one. Now, if you already have TikTok, do this one Travel Town. It says get to level 9. Super easy as well. Don't worry about it. Super, super easy. Now, as you guys can see, we're going to complete these. This TikTok one said go ahead and just open up TikTok. So you can go ahead and create an account, continue with Apple, create an account on TikTok, use Facebook, Twitter, whatever it is. Sign up. It's a cool little app. But yeah, super easy. And this fetch one just wanted us to go ahead and create an account. Now, luckily for you, I actually already created an account, so it should be all good. But that one is basically all you need to do. So that's all we need to do. Basically, we're gonna go ahead now and go back into Pokemon trading card game, and you should now have the gold. So this should be completed now. You should be all good. It's a super easy process. And then when you go back to the shop, you should now have your 10,000 gold added. Now I did this like unlimited amount of times, and it added up so much. So yeah, essentially that's all you gotta do. And as you guys can see, 9999 Poke Gold in Pokemon the trading card game. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you need any help, drop a comment below. I can help you guys out in the comment section, and give this video a like if it did work for you, so let everyone else know in the comment section. Thanks so much guys. See you in the next one.